name is Kevin. Let's talk about how to inflate sleeping pads. Things will change slightly if you have a self-inflating pad or regular sleeping pad, but to make things easier, we recommend using a pump sack, a pump, but if you have to, you can use your mouth. An air pad. Your sleeping pad, don't sleep on it yet. Now it comes to, do you have a deflate valve? Make sure to close that. Open your inflate valve. If you have a pump,